Okay, it took us an hour to park. And what time is it?
I gotta call my boyfriend.
Tell me what time it is.
11. We were in like 40 minutes.
About 40 minutes to go through the line and security. And now we're getting on the cruise ship.
He just snapped me.
So we are on Carnival Jubilee.
He was not having a good time at all. He only wanted to know if I
What'd you say? So apparently this is the longest hallway ever. Yeah, I know.
He said hi first. Why are you such that?
Alright.
How are we going?
Just we're gonna get out of the way. Go in and then go to your left. Hi!
Hi family, aboard. What's your last destination?
Alright. So still up after the ship. There was some lightning over there. So I don't know if our deck party is gonna happen or not. So this is Galveston. So we're at the port right now. There's my girls over there doing a I don't know if you saw that on the video, but it is lightning over. Some birds. We're going to our room.
No good. Oh.
Okay, so we're at 11:401. But we're on the out. We came in on the outside, but we're in the middle of the ship. At these elevators are no joke. So I'm sure we're going to be doing the stairs a lot.
We're next to those elevators.
Oh, we actually are.
Across from the elevators.
Yes, we actually are.
Like, not, that's one of the stairs. So we're like in the middle.
Yeah, we're almost there.
We're here. We have no luggage.
And that's expected. It'll be here sometime. All right, 11. Oh, they've already decorated theirs. 11401. Oh, are you guys excited to see the room?
It's gonna be tiny.
Yeah, it's tiny.
It's
The bed's only 5 foot long. Your feet hang off. Abigail Smith. Haley Smith.
what
do I use this for?
So they can
Oh,
buy.
you take this
Gotta keep this on me all the times.
Yes.
We eat at 5:30. Wait, dining Pacific Deck is the same place every night that we eat.
Yes.
But does it change?
Do not touch the
General
waters.
emergency alarm consists of 7 short blasts, followed by 1 long blast on the ship's whistle, supplemented by the same signal over the loudspeakers. If you hear this alarm in the event of a real emergency and you are in your stateroom or nearby, quickly grab your life jacket and collect any essential
Where's the second
medications
bed
and
at?
your travel
They pull it
documents,
down.
like
They'll make it
ID
each
and
night.
passport. Additionally,
God, this is
please
so
ensure
cool.
you are dressed formally
This
and
is
wearing
so
comfortable
cool.
shoes before proceeding to your muster
Oh my
station.
goodness, this is so cool.
If you are not near your stateroom, please proceed to your muster station where you will be given a life jacket. If you could not retrieve your essential medications, please inform the personnel in your muster station and someone will attend to you accordingly.
Can you open this door?
Alright, we're sailing away. The girls and buddy up on the deck. I was with them, but my camera wasn't working, so I came back to the room to see if I could figure out what was wrong. I accidentally had it on timer, so whenever I took a picture, it was on a timer for 10 seconds. So I don't know how I did that, but anyway. And now we are sailing away.